All right.
Hey guys, Ryan Foley with Spyglass Property Inspections. Today we're here doing an inspection on a single family home, and I'm going to give you a quick education on what an ejector pit is. We are in a basement and the plumbing at this house is above grade, okay? The sewer grade is not into the ground, it's above grade. So in order to get the waste off of this bathroom, there has to be some sort of pit to shoot this into the main drain line. Well, this is the ejector pit. It works very, very similar to a sump pump. However, it has a little bit different of a motor. So the water table, the water goes into the pump, the water table rises, and then the pump will get kicked on and the water will shoot out into this main drain. However, this pump is a little bit different. It has a grinding motor in it, not to get too graphic, but for things that go into the toilet. So basement toilets with ejector pits, you don't want any baby wipes, feminine products, or paper towels. That's all about an ejector pit for today. Ryan Foley, Spyglass Property Inspections. We can be reached at www.spyglassinspections.net.